Good morning, student. Welcome back to our online classes. Today we will read the lesson Nina and the Baby Sparrows. Student, listen very carefully the lesson. I will read this lesson for you. The name of the lesson is, I am repeating again, Nina and the Baby Sparrows. Okay? Now I am reading it and you listen and read after me very carefully. There was great joy in Nina's house. Nina's aunt was getting married. Nina, her father, mother, and little brother were all going to Delhi for a wedding. Everyone was happy except Nina. Her mother took her to the market to buy a new dress. What color would you like? Mother asked. I don't want a new dress, mother, said Nina. Salwar kameez then? Nina shook her head. What about those lovely white shoes you saw last week? I don't want those either. Thank you, mother. Nina's mother was upset, but she said nothing. They went back home and had lunch. After lunch, mother came and sat near Nina. What is it, child? What is it, child? She asked. Why did you say no to everything? Now turn your page. Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding. But why? Nina said nothing. Instead, two big tears rolled down her cheeks. Mother put her arms around Nina. Don't cry, my pet, she said. Why don't you tell me what's bothering you? More tears rolled down Nina's cheeks. Mother, she said, there is a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room, and there are two baby sparrows in the nest. I see, said mother. They are just beginning to get their feathers and growing up makes them so hungry. All day long they cry chip chip, asking for food. I see, said mother. If we go, the whole place will be locked. And how will Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies? Oh, Nina, cried mother, giving her a big hug. Is that why you don't want to go to the wedding? But that's no problem at all. We will leave the window open. Oh, can we, mother? Can we really? Yes, yes. We will remove all your things from the room and lock the door on the outside. So the house will be perfectly safe and Papa and Mama sparrows can come and go freely. 2. Just think, Nina, while you enjoy yourself at the wedding, the baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Good idea, isn't it? It was a good idea. When Nina came back from the wedding, there were 2 plump little sparrows flying all over the room. And wasn't Nina thrilled? Pratibha Nath. Pratibha Nath is the writer of this story. Now I will explain one paragraph for you. Student, listen very carefully, because the end of the lesson I will ask you some more questions and I will give you to do the fill in the blanks and true false yourself. Okay, so please listen very carefully the explanation of the lesson. There was great joy in Nina's house. Nina's aunt was getting married. There was great joy in Nina's house means everyone was happy in the Nina's house. Why? The reason is because her aunt was getting married. Who was happy? Nina, her father, mother and little brother were all going to Delhi for a wedding. Nina, her father, her mother and her little brother, they all are going Delhi to attend a wedding. Wedding means marriage. Her aunt marriage. They are going to attend the marriage. Where they are going? They are going to Delhi. And who are going to Delhi? Nina, her father, mother and her little brother were going to Delhi. Everyone was happy. Who was everyone? Nina, her father, mother and little brother was everyone. Everyone was happy except Nina. But Nina was not happy. Why the Nina was not happy? That I will explain in next video and next page. Okay. Today I will explain this paragraph only. First page only. Her mother took her to the market to buy a new dress. Nina's mother took her to the market to buy a new dress. Why she want to new dress? Her mother want to buy a new dress for Nina because you know in marriage everyone like to wear new clothes, है ना? So that's why her mother took her to the market. What color would you like? Mother asked. Her mother asked with Nina. Nina's mother asked with Nina that what color would you like? She is asking for her choice. I don't want a new dress, mother, said Nina. Nina replied that she not want to a new dress. Now again her mother is asking salwar kameez, then her mother asking for her for salwar kameez. Do you want to like the salwar kameez? Nina shook her head. Now again She shook her head. Shook means no. Her reply was no. Mother, I not want to buy salwar kameez. Then again her mother is asking, what about those lovely white shoes you saw last week? Her mother asking with her for a shoes. Which color is white? The shoes was the white in color. Okay. I don't want those either. Thank you, mother. What she replied? What she answered? Nina answered, mother, I don't want those. मुझे नहीं चाहिए. Thank you, mother. Nina's mother was upset. After listening the answer of the Nina, her mother was upset, unhappy. But she said nothing. In the market, she said nothing to the Nina. They went back home and had lunch. They came back to the home and they had lunch. Lunch means the meal of afternoon. After lunch, mother came and sat near Nina. After lunch, they have the lunch and then mother came to the Nina and she asked with the Nina. Why she asked again the question with Nina? Because she is worried about her daughter. What is it, child? She asked. What she asked? What is it, child? Why did you say no to everything? Because Nina said no, na? So she was worried. Then she asked, why you said no to everything? What she asked? She asked for a salwar kameez. Then she asked for a white shoes. But Nina said no to the both things, salwar kameez and for white shoes. Nina said no. So why she said again no, that I will explain in our next video. Here I ask with you some questions also which you have to give the pay attention, because after completing the lesson I will ask with you more questions which you have to do yourself. Now after this I will explain your work, okay, which you have to do in your literature notebook of same lesson, Nina and the baby sparrows. This work you have to do in your literature notebook, English literature notebook. First is contain. Contain means work which are you going to do in this lesson. First is your difficult words, then word meaning, then question answer, then reference to context, fill in the blanks, true false, think and write, and make sentence. Here are some difficult words. Market, bother, problem, upset, remove, wedding, lovely, plump, hungry, perfectly, bookshelf, instead. Student, these all difficult words are start with small letter. Don't use capital letter to write the difficult words. You have to find out some more difficult words from your lesson and you have to write down here. Number 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to do more 6 difficult words here. You have to find out the difficult words from your lesson. Okay, so read the lesson very carefully and properly, then write 6 more difficult words here. After this you have to do this work, word meaning. Here are 7 word meanings. Okay, first is bother. Bother means take the trouble to do something. Hungry, feeling or showing the need for food. Plump, having a full rounded shape. Perfectly, in a manner or way that could not be better than, instead, as an alternative or substitute. Remove, take off from the position occupied. And 7th meaning is upset, make unhappy or worried. Okay, after this work you have to do your question answer. These question answer are from the book. Okay, why was there great joy in Nina's house? There was great joy in Nina's house as Nina's aunt getting married, which I told you, which I explained in first paragraph. Why was Nina worried? Nina was worried that if the whole house will be locked, then how will Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies in the nest? That babies would be left hungry. Next question. What did mother suggest? The mother suggested that the window will be left open so that Mama and Papa sparrows can feed their babies in the nest. Now your last question is, what did Nina find when she came back from the wedding? The answer of this question is, Nina found 2 plump little sparrows flying all over the room when she came back from the wedding. These all questions are from your book, Marigold book, lesson Nina and the baby sparrows. Student, I will ask some more questions with you after completing our lesson. Today I explain only first page. In next video I will explain next page, then I will ask with you some more questions. Okay, so watch the video very carefully and listen the questions very carefully. In this worksheet I gave you only hard words which you have to find out from your lesson and write down in your notebook. Okay, thank you student. I hope you all are in good health and happy. Okay, bye bye student.